In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change age in Facebook dating. First, let's open the Facebook app on your device. You will see a familiar interface with a feed of posts from your friends, groups, and pages you follow. This is the main hub of Facebook. The app is designed for easy navigation, so keep an eye out for the menu options. It's important to ensure you're using the latest version of the app to avoid any potential issues. This will help you access all the features seamlessly. Once the app is open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, tap on the menu icon, represented by three horizontal lines or dots usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen on most devices. This action opens a sidebar with various options, including your profile, settings, and more. The menu is essential because it serves as the gateway to all other features within the app. Here, you can find everything you need, from your notifications to your settings. Once you tap on Menu, you'll see a list of options appear, making it easier to navigate to your profile. From there, tap your profile to access your personal page. This is where all your information is stored, including your posts, photos, and details about your life. Your profile is crucial because it reflects who you are on Facebook. It's the starting point for making any changes to your account. By tapping your profile, you can ensure that you are editing the correct information, which is vital for accurately updating your age for Facebook dating. Now, tap Edit Profile. This option allows you to make changes to various sections of your profile, including your basic information and preferences. You will see different categories related to your profile, such as your work, education, and contact information. This step is significant because it prepares you to edit the specific details necessary for changing your age. Once you tap Edit Profile, the screen will refresh, allowing you to see all the areas you can modify. Next up, tap Edit Your About Info. This section contains personal details that you have shared publicly on your profile. It includes information like your interests, relationship status, and other essential data. By accessing this area, you are one step closer to updating your birthday, which is crucial for changing your age in Facebook dating. Once you tap this option, you will be presented with various fields where you can update your information. After that, go to Basic Info. This section specifically deals with your fundamental details, including your birthday. It's important to remember that your age in Facebook dating is directly linked to the birthday listed in your basic info. By navigating here, you are ensuring that you are in the right place to make the necessary changes. This step sets the stage for the next action, which is to edit your birthday. Now tap Edit to modify your birthday. A calendar interface should appear, allowing you to select your desired birth date. This is a critical step because it determines how old you will appear to others in Facebook dating. Taking the time to ensure this information is accurate is not only important for your dating experience, but also for maintaining consistency across your profile. Once you select your new birthday, you are ready to proceed to the final step. Finally, tap Save to confirm your changes. This action ensures that all the updates you made to your birthday are stored and reflected across your Facebook profile and dating. You may see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. This is reassuring as it means your new age is now updated and will be visible to others in Facebook dating. With that, you have successfully changed your age in Facebook dating by updating your birthday on your Facebook profile. This process is straightforward and helps you maintain control over how you present yourself on the platform. Remember, keeping your profile accurate is essential for a positive experience.